Today we will discuss about lumbago-sciatica syndrome. So the coined term which will be related to the disease regarding any kind of pathological condition affected to the lumbar spine. Along with from there it will be continued as the condition of sciatica. So the both term commonly used together lumbago-sciatica syndrome, and we will see regarding this condition today in part 1. So in this part we will see definition, general introduction along with causes and signs and symptoms of for both lumbago condition and for sciatica syndrome. Myself Dr. Anandas, Assistant Professor, Department of Roga Nidana Evam Vikruti Vijnana, Global Institute of Ayurveda, Rajkot. First of all, what is lumbago condition? What is sciatica condition? So the condition lumbago, it refers to low back pain. So any kind of type of pain or any kind of pain which is related to the low back or lower back region, the LBP, it refers to the condition or a coined term called lumbago. So when where is sciatica condition, if the pain includes numbness in the buttocks, back or leg, along with a tingling feeling that radiates down the leg to the foot, it is known as sciatica. Wherever there will be any kind of sciatic nerve compression, that will be the most pathological cause for manifestation of sciatica. So in case of lumbago, it refers to the commonest lower back pain or low back pain region, pain over the lumbago side, over the lumbar vertebral region. For the case of sciatica, it refers to always radiating pains which will be downward radiation of the pain. It will be including numbness over the buttocks region first of all, along with over the back region or the leg region. It will be giving with some tingling feeling or tingling sensation, and the pain will be radiating down from the leg to the foot region. This is known as sciatica. Always will be caused by any kind of compression to sciatic nerve. Some certain causes for lumbago condition: overuse of the lower back and the sudden lifting of a heavy load, any kind of a physical activities which will be causing more wherever there will be overuse of the lower back region and any kind of lifting of heavy weights, this will be causing lumbago condition. Excessive bending or other repetitive motions involving the lower back, so continuous or any kind of repetitive motions which will be including excessive bending or something like that, or which will be the motions which will be involving the lower back region more, this will predispose the condition lumbago. Apart from that, the condition called osteoarthritis is another commonest cause for manifestation of lumbago. Spinal arthritis, any kind of inflammatory condition with respect to the spine, especially spondylosis condition, will be another cause. Slipped or herniated disc condition to the vertebra, osteoporosis, spinal stenosis or compression of the spinal nerve, that will be the another cause as another related medical term too. Scoliosis, any kind of abnormality with respect to the normal curvature of the spine, including scoliosis like condition, or malignant or benign spinal tumors of the complete vertebral column will be another cause. These are some general causes for lumbago. Common symptoms of lumbago: pain will be located in the lumbar area of the spine. So over the lumbar area, the pain will be located. Lower back stiffness will be over the lower back region, stiffness will be present. Muscle tension and achiness, always it will be aching like pain will be the deranged mobility. Patient will be having always any kind of difficulty to move easily. Restricted movement of the spine, specifically bent or lean backwards. So those kind of range of movements will be always restricted when the patient is affected with lumbago condition. Pain felt in the lower portion of the back that can spread out into the buttock, the groin, or to the back of the thigh region. At the same time, it will be can be radiated down to the buttocks region or to the groin region or to the back of the thigh portion also. Swelling or inflammation of the back or leg can be warning sign. Always should be given with a warning sign, like specific swelling will be present over the lower back region along with inflammation of the back or the leg. It will be considered as a warning sign, which will be giving some forthcoming signs or symptoms like yes, it will be a cause of lumbago. Lower back pain when you sneeze or cough can also suggest lumbago. So whenever the patient, you can ask with the patient whenever sneezing or when coughing, pain will be aggravating or not. The pain will be feeling or more. This will be another suggestive sign for lumbago. So always the condition along with lumbago it will be coined with one more time sciatica because of compression of the sciatic nerve. So always it will be in a manner of radiating type. The pain will be radiating from the buttocks region to the foot. So there will be compression of sciatic nerve within the nerve column. The nerve will be compressed within the vertebrae. That will be the commonest cause. What does it mean by sciatica? Sciatica occurs when one or more nerve roots from L4 to S3 are irritated or compressed due to conditions such as herniated disc, stenosis, or degeneration. Certain medical conditions like herniation of the disc, especially for the vertebral column, spinal stenosis, or degeneration of the vertebra, this will embedded with the condition of sciatica. So when it will occur, the condition called sciatica, it will occur when one or more nerve roots like from L4 to S3, L4, L5 or S1, S2, S3. Among these nerve roots, any one or more nerve roots are involving or it will be getting continuously irritated or compressed due to because of these medical conditions, sciatica will be occurring. Radicular pain from the sciatic nerve root is typically felt in the thigh, calf and foot region. So particular pain will be present because of the nerve root compression be felt on thigh region, calf region or foot region. Sciatica is one among the type of radiculopathy. Specific type of radiculopathies are there. Among the sciatica is one example. Radiculopathy, also commonly referred to as pinched nerve condition, refers to a set of conditions in which one or more nerves are affected and do not work properly. It's a neuropathic condition only. Always it will be considered as a neuropathic condition. Radiculopathy, where there will be pinching of nerve or compression of the nerve will be happening because of set of chemical or set of medical consequences. Pinching or compression of the nerves will be present. This will cause certain neurological conditions with respect to the movements. This can result in pain, specifically radicular pain will be happening, weakness, numbness or difficulty controlling specific muscle. This will be some other commonest symptoms or some after effects as occurred with sciatica condition. Definition for sciatica. Sciatica is pain in the lower extremity resulting from irritation of the sciatic nerve. The pain of sciatica is typically felt from the low back region, specifically from lumbar area, to behind the thigh and radiating down below the knee and may reach the foot. We have already seen the same thing in general introduction also. So it's a radiating type of pain. It will be starting from the buttocks region or from the low back region. It will start from the low back region, from lumbar region to behind. It will travel through the region of behind the thigh and radiating downwards to the knee region and from there may reach the foot. Always it will be caused by compression of the sciatic nerve. Certain major causes of sciatica pain, as per considering medical causes, spondylolisthesis conditions in between the vertebra, there will be mismatching or misplacement of the vertebra, and one vertebra will be placed over the other one. So spondylolisthesis condition will be one cause. Any kind of specific trauma occurring to the spine, other spinal injury, ankylosing spondylitis condition at the pregnancy time, Coda equine syndrome or lumbar spinal stenosis. This will be some medical related condition. So because of this much medical conditions, lumbago can be manifested. According to lifestyle, what will be the causes? Specifically, patient will be involving heavy weightlifting or depends upon or job related or occupation related. Their sitting position will be considered as the lifestyle causes. So it depends upon that. It will be considered as a major set of lifestyle causes. Intake of more Bengal gram, flat beans, peach and pea like food items. Excess intake of outside food or junk foods or suppression of urine. This will be some lifestyle related causes of sciatica pain. Rarely, sciatica may develop due to tumors, infection, formation of scar tissue, collection of fluid, post disease. Nothing but tuberculosis will be affected to the spine or fracture in the lumbar spine. This is some rare causes of sciatica because of some tumors or because of some any kind of infection or any kind of scar tissue formation, fluid accumulation or post disease. Nothing but spinal tuberculosis or some compression fracture. While rare, sciatica may also develop as a complication of incorrect muscular injection methods in the buttocks or following a hip joint replacement surgery. Apart from that, these rare causes, the condition called sciatica may also develop as a complication of incorrect muscular injection at the time of any kind of surgery or any other medical treatment prospectives. Any kind of incorrect muscular injection is administered to the patient. As a complication of that, sciatica can be manifested, especially in the buttock or the following hip joint replacement surgery. Approximately 1% of pregnant women may develop sciatica at some point during pregnancy. So, as a medical cause at the time of pregnancy, 1% of pregnant women also will be affected with sciatica because of the loss of normal curvature of the lumbar spine. Common signs and symptoms of sciatica, lower back pain will be there. The pain extends from the lower back all the way through the back of the thigh and down to the leg. So radiating type of pain will be there. Depending on where the sciatic nerve is affected, the pain may also extend to the foot or toes. So it also depends on the sciatic nerve where it is affected. Depends upon that it will extend to the foot region or the till foot it will extend or it will radiate or till toe region it will radiate. Pain in the rear or leg that is worse when sitting. So whenever sitting, it will be getting more worse. Hip pain will be the burning or tingling down the leg, tingling type of sensation or burning sensation. Along with weakness will be the numbness will be the or difficulty moving the leg or foot. So specific type of weakness, any kind of numbness, difficulty in moving the leg or the foot region. A constant pain on one side of the rear, so with respect to one particular region, there will be a constant pain will be there, depends upon one side. A shooting pain that makes it difficult to stand up. Sudden shooting type of pain will be there whenever the patient is sitting and whenever the patient in a position of sitting position. Suddenly, while standing up, it will give a shooting type of pain to the patient. Sciatica usually affects only one side of the lower body. So mostly it will affect with only one side. So with respect to the lumbago, it's just lower back pain over the lumbar region. With respect to sciatica, always radiating type of pain will be there and always it will be present in sitting position and whenever standing up also.